Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off split keyboard on a Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on general management. Then tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Now go down and tap on mode. Next, you can choose standard keyboard to turn off split keyboard, or you can choose floating keyboard. So this is what it looks like in when we choose standard keyboard. So if I go to landscape mode, you can see this is what it looks like for a standard keyboard. Now the key are widespread, the keyboard are widespread, so it can be a little bit hard to type in this mode. I find it is hard for me to type in this mode, so if you find it's too difficult, you can turn on split keyboard. So this is what it looks like in split keyboard. So I'm just going to bring back to this one, and here if you have your phone in landscape mode, the keyboard will split into two parts, and it will align the first part of the keyboard to the right hand side and the second part of the keyboard to the right hand side, and the other one is to the left hand side. So this is a test, so you can see for me it is easier because the keys are closer to my thumb on my left and on my right, and that's it. So that's how you can turn on or turn off, sorry, in mode. So that's how you can turn on or turn off split keyboard on the Galaxy S22 series. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.